Hey my friends, guess what? It's another Friday night and I ain't got nobody. I have this beer so I can start my own party. I got this beer and it's making me feel alright. Alright, my friends. Yes, indeed, it's Friday night, and you know what we got for you today? We got beers and beef. Haha. Yes. Friday night, and I'm doing the s'more stout. I'm still drinking this crap, even from last Christmas. I bought this before Christmas. Actually, you know what? It's not crap. Today, it's freaking really cold, and it's really freaking yummy. Oh my god. Can you call a beer yummy? I don't know. I call this heavenly today. Wow. It's so good, this cold. Anyhow, we're going to try my version of Mongolia beef. Blah. I'm not drunk yet, don't worry. My version of Mongolia beef. I watched a video the other day. Foresty Forest did beef, Mongolian beef. So I thought, you know what? I'll add my little twist to it. I don't have green onion. I got a red onion. I've got some hot pepper flakes, powder. I've got brown sugar. I've got what else? I got black pepper. That's pretty bad, eh? I got a black pepper. That's what she said. What else do I have? Oh man. I will add a little bit of sesame seed. I keep looking over here for the camera, and it's over here. So stop that, boy. Yeah, I'm going all over the map again. OCD's kicking in. Black pepper. Oh, this stuff here. Sorry. I'm gonna use maybe Texas barbecue. Does that go good with Mongolian beef? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Just a hint. So stay tuned. Cooking with Chef Chuck is back. Okay, first things first. Flour, not just regular flour, but great flour. So some of this for the batter. Whoops, helps if you point the camera at the product. Flour, a little bit of chili pepper. Wow, maybe good. What else? Some black pepper. Not the kind of pepper I like. I like it to grind my own, but that's all we got. What else? A little bit of barbecue seasoning. A little. Since I don't have real garlic, it's garlic powder. I would like to put slices on, but... And noticed, you know what? This is very scientifically metered and measured. Not. And some of these seeds are a lot of them. What the hell, eh? And there we go. That will be the mix to dip that in. Then 1 sip of beer. This here egg. Oh, I need both hands. Damn it. Oh my god, it's bleeding. No, it's not. That's just beet juice. But we will add, yes, more beer. How much? Not much. That's good. And do something like this. Hell yeah. That's what we're talking about. Woo-hoo. Then another sip of beer. Oh yeah. Damn dare beef. It go here. More beer, Chuck? Oh shit. Stop twisting my arm so hard. Damn it. Okay, so we soaked the batter for about 20 minutes while I cooked the onion, and now it's time for the beef to meet the flour. Enjoy your time together. So after frying up the beef, it looks like a that, and we got some soya sauce with brown sugar and a bit of water. That is the sauce, and my rice with the onion and a little bit of red pepper I had left over. So that will be that. Actually, I put too much sauce in, so oh well. I have to pull some out. More beer, Chuck? Sure. I fear no beer. Done and done. Oh my god. I wish you guys were here to share this with me. This is super scrumptious, delicious. Chucky Mongolian Canadian beef with rice and onion. Yum.
Anyway guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for sticking through. And as always, you know the drill. Stay awesome.